Hello everyone. When starting Blender, the splash screen appears in the center of the window. It contains options to create new projects or open recent ones. To close the splash screen and start a new project, click anywhere outside the splash screen but inside the Blender window or press Escape from the keyboard. The splash screen will disappear, revealing the default screen. To reopen the splash screen, click on the Blender icon in the top bar and select Splash Screen. The upper part of the splash screen contains the splash image with the Blender version in the top right. The interactive region in the bottom half of the splash screen. Start a new project based on a template. Your most recently opened blend files. This gives quick and easy access to your recent projects. Open allows opening an existing blend files. Recover lost session. Blender will try to recover the last session based on temporary files. When starting Blender for the first time, the interactive region contains a quick setup process.